Hello everybody, I Saksham Saxena made a projector with the help of a shoebox and a convex lens, means a magnifying glass. Today I will show you the projection of my projector with a mobile phone and a color printed photo. So on this wall I will show you my projection. So before I demonstrate my projector, first it is important to know what is a projector. A projector or image projector is an optical device that projects an image or moving images onto a surface. Commonly, a projection screen. Most projectors create an image by shining a light through a small transparent lens, but some modern types of projector can project the images directly by using lasers. So now I will tell you the demonstration and I will explain you my projector. So as you can see, it is a shoebox. I covered this shoebox, inside of the shoebox with a dark paper. You can paint also with black color. It is a magnifying glass. I made a hole and fit attach this magnifying glass with the box, and I put this tape. So now my projector is ready. So first I will show you with the printed photo, colored photo, then with the mobile phone on a video. So as we know that on mobile phone, there is illumination, so we can increase the brightness, but on this photo there is not any technical method. So I will put this light on the photo and this photo will be reflected on the wall. So here it goes. So I am putting this photo in the box. So I have put this photo in the box. I will reflect this photo on the wall. So I am setting this lamp on the photo, and you can see on the wall this photo can be seen very clearly. If you will go near to the wall, the photo will shrink, and if you have to enlarge, you can move back. So here it is getting sharpened. So with the help of a printed photo, we have done our first step of our observation. So our second step is to fit this mobile inside this projector. You can also make a stand for this mobile, or you can just make a stand like this, as I did here. So again I will turn off the lights. So as you can see, little bit of reflection to confirm that I am not doing cheating. So here only. Hope you enjoyed my demonstration of making a projector with the common things which are found in our houses. So if you want more notifications related to the activities which I did in the lockdown period, you can subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon for more notifications. You can please also click the like button and share this video. You can also comment this that how you like this video in the comment box. Thank you.